Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I am Sudeep. In this video, we will see how to deploy the React application into Firebase. For that, let's open a new tab, search Firebase, open this first link. If you are not having an account, please create an account and log into this. This is the home page. Click on Get Started. Get started with the Firebase project. Name your project. I'll create React app. Click on Continue. Select a default account for Firebase. Create project. Meanwhile, this creating, so let's install the Firebase tools globally. npm install -g Firebase tools. Our Firebase project is ready, and Firebase tools is also installed, and also install one more package, Firebase, into this project. Our Firebase project is ready now. Let's create the build of this project, which will be used in our deployment. For that, run the command npm run build. Build folder is created successfully. Now run the command firebase init. It will initialize the Firebase. Use your arrow keys to go down and spacebar to select and press enter. Use existing project. Press enter. Use your build folder as a public directory. Type build, enter, yes, no, yes. Now the last command, firebase deploy. So this is our hosting URL. Open this in a browser. If you are seeing this page, just rebuild the application and redeploy it. Let's do that. Project is built successfully. Now again run the command firebase deploy. Open this in the browser and reload the application. Now our application is deployed successfully. Please do like the video and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thanks for watching the video.